Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was just excited to come and show you some more of my printables that I have made. So basically these are two separate kits, and they're not a kind of complete kit, if you see what I mean, but they're kind of the die cut pieces that you would kind of cut out to form a whole bunch of die cuts. So if we start with this one here, so basically it's a 2-sheet download, and it contains various elements, which I just need to kind of check now so that I give you the right details, how many elements there are. Right, there's 37 elements in total on these 2 pages. And obviously you've got a variety of little journaling cards, tickets, flowers, you've got heart, various different things. And then obviously you print them off and you can cut them out to use them in your journals. So I just wanted to come along and I've just brought along a kind of, this is not in any way a journal as yet, but something that eventually will be put into a journal, just to kind of demonstrate how things would kind of look. So, I mean, obviously you've got a ticket there, you've got some flowers, just to kind of show you kind of arranging them on the page, the kinds of looks that they would have kind of on a page there, just to give you kind of an idea really. So, you've got various different bits, and I have not completed cutting out this particular set. So I've only got a handful of elements, I'm afraid, because obviously, there's quite a bit of cutting and I haven't quite finished. But most of these I actually did shrink down because I was kind of experimenting with shrinking down. So we've got a kind of shrunk down version of kind of the items. So, I mean, that's just to kind of give you an idea that, that obviously, things can be printed as they are, or shrunk down, or obviously enlarged. So that's kind of how it would look there, and I'll just kind of move that to one side. And I brought along kind of my travel journal that obviously I've shown this before, so obviously it's been completed now. I have got lots of blank spaces where I'm going to insert photographs and things, but the writing has been done. So I just thought I would kind of show you how things would have looked kind of on there. And I mean, obviously, it's not even coordinating with this journal, if you see what I mean, but the elements look really very pretty, even kind of on here. Could have kind of bits and bobs kind of stuck around on there, however kind of you pleased. So I just wanted to come along and kind of show you this one, because I think it's quite a kind of versatile, useful kit that you can, obviously kind of use in your journals. So that's that one, and that one is just the Floral kind of die cut elements kit. And as I say, that contains 37 images or elements on 2 pages. So again, it's a PDF. So that's that one. And then I want to show you this one, which I'm really, really, really excited about. Obviously, I was kind of inspired by the Kaisercraft kind of tea sets and things. So I wanted to kind of make one of my own. So it's a 3-page kit containing various elements, and it basically contains 68 complete elements altogether, all for kind of fussy cutting. So here are some that I have cut out. So I just thought I would kind of again bring some along to kind of show you, and kind of demonstrate how things would look. So if I just grab out a few. So I'll pop that to one side. So obviously it's a tea themed one, and it's got some little sentiments here: time for tea, wonderful things, it's a beautiful day. And then you've got some circles here, again, time for tea, love is, today's the day. So you've got kind of various elements, and if I just kind of move that to one side, sort of out the way a bit, I'll just again show you kind of how that would look using it in a journal. So I hope this is kind of coming across okay. So there's kind of the teapot, looks super cute. And I also have brought along, which I'm going to do a video of this journal in a moment, so this isn't actually uploaded yet, but once it is, just to kind of show you the versatility really of the elements themselves. Because obviously, you know, again, this is not kind of obviously matching this journal, but all looks super cute when kind of placed around on the pages. So really, really sweet. And I mean, I literally can't wait to use this particular kind of die cuts. But unfortunately, I have got a few projects already on the go, so I'm not sure how long it's going to be before I get around to using them. But I literally can't wait. You know, I'm really excited by them. I think they're so sweet. So yeah, I just wanted to come along and kind of show you. Again, kind of here on a page in, you know, what will be a journal, how sweet some of these things look. I mean, they just look adorable. So, you know, just wanted to kind of come and show you really, because I mean, I absolutely love all these elements. And obviously here, I'm not good enough with a craft knife to be able to cut out kind of these little bits. And they possibly don't even bother many people. But if you were worried about them, I like to just cut literally kind of here, cut around it, and then when you obviously glue it on, you're just gluing it here anyway, so you will never know really that you have cut the handle there, if that makes sense. Yeah, so I just wanted to come along and show this because I absolutely love this whole set. And I tried to do the items in various different sizes so that you could kind of you know, have a variety. So you've got kind of smaller cups, bigger cups, and I mean, as I've said before, you can obviously alter the size when you're printing these, so you could upsize them, you could downsize them, so you know, to kind of make them fit your projects better. But I absolutely love it, and yeah, just wanted to come along and show you. Now just quickly, one thing to kind of point out here on this kettle, for some reason I've got this kind of splodgy kind of mark here. Hopefully the camera is picking that up. Obviously that's my you know, lack of ability with the digital kind of software, but I just want to point that out. Now obviously when you cut around that, you just cut that off, so it's then not noticeable. So here on the pink one, it's kind of got a slight splodge, and if I just show you that obviously once you've cut it, you've just cut that off. But I just wanted to kind of point that out, because just in case kind of anybody's not really very happy with that, I just wanted to kind of point that out. So yeah, it doesn't worry me because obviously, you know, I just cut that off, but I just wanted to kind of point that out so that people are aware of that really. Yeah, absolutely love, 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 love all these elements, and you know, hours and hours of fun obviously fussy cutting all these 60 odd elements out, and you know, literally cannot wait to use them in a journal. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to come along and show you them, and hope that you like them. So if you like them, give them a thumbs up, that would be great. And obviously, as I say, they are listed in my Etsy shop now. So thanks very much for tuning in, and have a great day. Bye.